game. Magbibigay tayo ng ng orasan, 1 minute and 30 seconds. So titingnan natin kung kaya ba niyang malutas ang puzzle na to in 1 minute and 30 seconds. So here it is. Titingnan natin kung kaya ba. "59 seconds, 57, 55, 53, 50, 48, 46, 44, 40, 38, 36, 32, 28. Oh my God. Maubos kaya ang 1 minute and 30 seconds? And here it is. Grabe siya, oh.